Hey there guys, what's happening? Mike Davison here, and in this video I'm going to jump on my motorbike and take you guys down to Patong and give you a walking tour of the beach road so you can see for yourself how busy and bustling Patong really is right now. Now, I'm back in Phuket for the first time in 6 months. I came here the last time back in July 2021 when the sandbox had just been launched. And I've got to say, the difference between back then and now, January 2nd, 2022, the difference is absolutely staggering. I was down on the beach road in Patong yesterday and the place is absolutely buzzing. Loads of places open, people on the beach enjoying and having a good time. So I want to show that to you guys. So if you're thinking about coming to the Phuket sandbox, this video is going to be super helpful for you. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, and you want to see more of my content, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button to see more of my videos each and every single week. Without further ado, guys, let's jump on the motorbike and head over the hill to Patong. So I'm not sure what the microphone's like when I'm driving on the motorbike, but let's try it anyway, eh? So this is the busy intersection in Katu. We're just heading over the hill, Patong Hill. It's a hectic road, this one. There's often police stops at the bottom of this road. There you can see there, a sort of permanent feature for the New Year period. Police stop in the centre there. That little box over there is the police box. So regularly they're checking for licenses and helmets at the bottom of Katu Hill. But yeah, like I say, we're going to be driving over, excuse me, driving over Patong Hill. On the left you'll see Tiger Kingdom. I've got my own personal feelings about that. I've never been, never really want to go. You got some go-karts on the left as well, you can probably see. Katu's a bustling area, it's a great place to live. I lived in Katu from 2014 to 2020. 6 years in the same house, absolutely amazing place. Maybe I'll show you that in another video. Coming up on the left here, you'll probably hear people honking their horns. What the Thais do when they're passing the temple for good luck. There's a shrine up here. There you go. One for good luck, eh? Something else that's noticeable to me is the number of minivans on the road now has increased significantly. Obviously taking the tourists to wherever they need to be. Back in July, August time there was no minivans on the road. All the taxi drivers were hungry for work, but there's one, there's another one. There's another one waiting at the lights. Another good sign, guys. So here we are in Patong Beach, just off the beach road. The beach is just that way. If you take the road behind me, that'll take you to Kamalar and Sarin and the more northern beaches of the island. Directly behind me now, actually, as well, is a beautiful Buddhist shrine. So we're at the far end of Patong Beach, and we're gonna walk across the road, and we're just gonna walk down the beach road so you guys can see for yourselves what Patong Beach is really like now. So I'll spin the camera around and let's go for a walk. Just coming up 5 o'clock now. Nice time to go for a walk. Sun's just starting to go down. Looks beautiful over the water there. Jet ski boys are back out doing business there. I don't know if you can see them. Some Thai people enjoying the beach. On the Sangsom, good for them. All the food vendors back.
Maybe I speak same what he said. Yeah, but you know I speak Chinese. But maybe
Plenty of people on the beach chairs there. Swadee Krap. Okay, not today. Tomorrow. Swadee Krap. Always hustling those massage ladies. Somtam party. Happy days. He looks happy as Larry, him, doesn't he? And why wouldn't he be? Look at that. Beautiful day. Look at all these people enjoying life. It's good to see again, isn't it? Another massage stall over there. Good thing when you get one on the beach, you know it's going to be a legit massage, you know what I'm saying? Not going to be any funny business out here, is there? Well, you'd hope not anyway. But then again, this is Patong. See, lots of people out, cars parked up. A lot of Thai families enjoying some food on the beach. It's the last day of the Thai holiday today. New Year holiday, they go back to work tomorrow. It's Monday. Making the most of it, eh? He's got the right idea. In the hammock over there, eh? Thank you very much. Swadee Cup.
Swadee Cup.
Let's have a stroll down onto the beach, eh? Show you down there. Picture postcard right there, eh? AmazingThailand.com. So it's not packed, but still nice to be around people, isn't it? You got your jet ski boys hustling hard there, as usual. Some guys metal detecting over there, see? Seen that quite a bit. Don't know whether it's just a hobby, if he's doing it for cash or what. Often see them guys, not just on this beach, all around Thailand. Show you this little food court up here as well, which is pretty new. Wasn't here when I left Phuket in July 2021. It's a fairly new addition. Looked pretty good when I walked past last night. I might even go in and eat there. You can see, big, long, bustling beach. Plenty of people making the most of it. So it's been refurbed, this place. Used to be lots of little independent restaurants, and well, it's kind of what it is now, but it's more sort of food court style. There was a nice little Indian restaurant down on the end I used to get to a few years ago. So there you are, look. Not too busy actually, but it's still early. It's only 5:10 now. Nice Jeep over there. Actually, I think it's one of those Suzuki ones, isn't it? I'd have one of them too, right? Nice. So there you have it, guys. That was my walking tour of Patong Beach Road on January the 2nd, 2022. If you like this style of content, guys, these walking tours that I've been doing, let me know in the comments and I'll make some more of them for you guys. I know the one that I did at Koh Samui got a lot of views, so if you do like these, let me know and I can make some more. But in general, this year in the channel, I want to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to be giving you guys some educational content, teaching you all about how to earn an income online while you're living abroad. I'm also going to be trying to travel outside of Thailand to Vietnam and other places, so I'm going to be documenting that process as well. So if you come over to Thailand and you want to visit a little bit further afield, I'm going to document that process and show you how to do it as well. So as always, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have. Give the video a thumbs up and help it's on its way. And if you want to connect with me and other expats and digital nomads in Thailand, you can join my free Facebook group, Thailand Expats and Digital Nomads. There's a link in the description to this video for you to join today. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.